Hey there, welcome back. In this quick video, I just want to go over the terminology that we've been using again. I'm just going to repeat it so that you really have it nailed. The first one that we've learned about is the idea of function declaration. And function declaration is a way for us to create functions like this. We also learned about function expression. And function expression is a way for us to create functions with a variable like this. And function expressions can also have names or it could be an anonymous function like this. You're more likely to encounter this than with names, but I wanted to show you both of those. Okay, what else do we have? We also had this idea of expression. And an expression is, well, this actually gives it a good overview. An expression is something that denotes a value. So 1 plus 3 is an expression, and we end expressions with semicolon. If we do variable a equals 2, that's an expression. If we're returning something from a function, we're returning true, that's an expression. So an expression is something that produces a value. Okay, how do we make a function perform that action? Well, we call that calling or invoking a function. And we do that by doing alert and then the brackets, or we can do something like new function parameter 1 parameter 2, and we call or invoke a function this way. We also assign a variable, and we do that by, well, we assign a variable a to true. Okay, we also learn about function versus methods or method. And a function is something like this is a function. A method is something that is inside of an object, like this is a method. So the way we access them is different. A function is accessed like this. A method is accessed with a dot in front of it. And there you have it. A few terminologies that I've been using them. Hopefully you've learned them by now, but wanted to recap everything so that it really sticks, and this should make everything more clear. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.